This is the Nitecore NB10000 Gen 3. It's a lightweight power bank with a 10,000 mAh capacity and can provide 22.5 watt fast charging. I want to thank Nitecore for sending this out to me. I didn't even know this power bank existed until now, and they're already under 3rd generation, so I've just been missing out apparently. This thing is small. Maybe it's because I haven't updated my power banks in a while, but the one I've been using is the same capacity, but almost double the thickness. So the NB10000 is crafted with a carbon fiber shell and weighs only 150 grams. It has 4 blue LED lights to display the remaining power, with each light representing about 25%. When the last light is flashing, it means the bank is at less than 10%. It has 2 USB-C ports to allow you to charge multiple devices at the same time, but it also offers pass-through charging. So you can charge the power bank while also powering an external device. In case you were wondering, if you're doing pass-through charging, the max output on the other port is 15 watts. Both ports are in and out by the way, so it's really easy to use. While it only has USB-C ports, they do include a USB-C to USB-A adapter, which is a little bigger than I'd like. There are smaller adapters out there that you can buy, but it's still nice that they provide something like this. They have rubberized corner cushions that are made to reduce wear and tear on clothing, bags, or whatever you're tossing this into. It has an IPX5 rating, so it's water resistant to a degree. This makes it great for hiking, trail running, or pretty much any outdoor adventure. I love the size of this thing because there's almost no reason to not have it in any of my camera bags. I can charge my iPhone 15 Pro Max to full pretty quick, with even a little charge still left in the bank. Now I do wish I had MagSafe or a built-in cable, but when I'm out traveling or filming videos for YouTube, the compact size is paramount, especially since I'm already carrying a lot of other gear. The max output for each port is 22.5 watts, so it's not going to be able to quick charge my drones or cameras, but that's fine because I can just connect everything up and throw it in my bag when I'm moving from location to location. The NB10000 Gen 3 will also auto-detect and optimize charging for low-current devices like wireless headphones. The minimum charging output is 60 milliamps. I found myself using this to charge my phone most of the time, and because it's so slim, it easily fits in my pocket with my phone. Alright, I'm gonna go see what other devices I need to update. Everything has become so small these days except for my phone for some reason. See ya.